Take a ride in the 2018 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, multifunction display. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.